Hey y'all, welcome to Queen's Decor. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video. Go ahead and stick around for the full final look. So right here we have extra flowers that came with our floral bouquet. This was so thoughtful. We ordered about 15 of these, so it was really nice for them to add the little extra to be able to make the bouquet a little fuller. And yeah, let's get back to the video. For this next box, we have some Amazon packages that we ordered, and in them come these cute tea light holders that can be dangled from our floral with some crystals, and yeah, they're super cute. Here we have a bit of a moment because I quickly realized that one of them came cracked, but hey, we're gonna have to make it do what it do. For this next part, we have some nude flowers that we're going to be inserting into that pink bouquet just to break it off a little bit. And yeah, let's get into it.